In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets offline. Whether you're traveling, facing an unreliable internet connection, or just want the flexibility to work without being online, enabling offline access for Google Sheets can be a game changer. Let's walk through the steps together so you can use Google Sheets even when you're not connected to the internet. To get started, you'll first need to open your Google Sheets on your computer. Once you've done that, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a gear. It's the settings icon. Clicking on this will take you a step closer to enabling offline access. After you've clicked the settings icon, a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Settings. This will open a new window that allows you to change various aspects of your Google Sheets experience. As you navigate through the settings window, keep an eye out for a section called Offline. This is where the magic happens. When you find the offline section, you'll notice an option to allow offline access by enabling certain features. By default, this may not be turned on, so it's important to make this change manually. In this section, there's a feature that reads, "Create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline." Go ahead and make sure this feature is toggled on. This setting ensures that your recent documents, spreadsheets, and presentation files are available to you even when you're offline. This can be particularly useful when you're on the go, or when the internet connection is less than reliable. It's important to remember that this feature requires some storage space on your device, because it will save these files temporarily so they can be accessed without an internet connection. For best results, ensure that you have adequate space available on your device for storing these files. After you've turned on this option, any recent changes you make to your files will be automatically synced the next time you're connected to the internet. This ensures that all of your work is kept up to date without you needing to think about it. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Google Sheets for offline use. By following these simple steps, you've gained the ability to continue your work without interruption, regardless of your internet connectivity. Feel free to practice using your new offline capabilities and enjoy the newfound freedom it provides, knowing you're no longer tethered to the online world for working on your spreadsheets. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of Google Sheets, both online and offline. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips.